Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to start cooking from your phone on the Xiaomi Smart Multifunctional Rice Cooker. So first you guys want to open up the app. Now you go over and click on the rice cooker. And here you have modes on the device. So of course it's not only a rice cooker, that's why it's multifunctional. What we're gonna do is we're gonna choose, let's say, rice and set up everything. It's already set up for me. And if you're away from it, then what you guys can do is go over and start it. So now it is synchronizing everything and it is turning on. Now it is fast preheat is working. And what are we gonna do now is we're gonna go over and simply wait for an hour. So that's how you guys can easily start cooking from your phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.